Praisers and savers.
I got the whole crew with me today.
Except for one.
Oh, except for one. We're missing one.
Praisers and savers.
We're missing one. She's at a birthday party. And so we're at Dollar General, the DG, on the Saturday, $5 off on 25. They're looking at me like I'm crazy. So let's get started, guys. The very first thing I'm getting is this Gang Flings. They are $3.95. Using that $1 off on the digital, on the app. Just make sure you load that. Brings these down to $2.95. You guys will see that I like to get paper products at Dollar General. Ever since the pandemic, I really haven't gotten the paper products like I used to get them for free. But getting them for a good deal is better than nothing. Now, these are listed for $5 today. But for some reason on the app, when I scanned this, it said they were $4. Not sure if that's going to be how it is at the register. And there's a $1 off coupon on the app for $1 off, so that will bring these down to $3. Another thing I like to get when I come to the Dollar General is some of those shelf staple foods. So I'm going to be picking up 2 of these Prego traditional, and then when you pick up 2 of those, you're getting a free box of Barilla pasta. So that's $1.40 essentially off when you spend $4 on Prego. This Dollar General is a little difficult to film in because there is nothing but trays and boxes, and I'm sure this is because no one wants to work, but this Dollar General is pretty empty. I couldn't even find one toothbrush on the shelf, so we're trying to improvise a little bit. So the next thing I have, because we're improvising, is these Chips Ahoy Nabisco products. If you do 2 Nabisco products, is $1 off, so I think these are $2.95 each, I believe, and so you'll do $1 off when you buy 2. Our kids always use these. They put them in their lunchbox. Pick up another treat for them today. These are $3.85. There's $1 off coupon on the app, making these $2.85. I don't do this, but I'm going to use this blue Gatorade as a filler item. These are $1.20 because I need to get out of this store. It is so cramped, and we can't really find anything that we need. Okay, Praisers and Savers, this was probably the most oddest Dollar General trip I've ever had because this Dollar General was so empty, and I'm assuming because there's not a lot of people working, and there was one young lady behind the register who was also unloading a truck and stocking shelves. So let's just go over the things I got because this wasn't what I was supposed to get. But I always try to get paper towels and toilet paper when I go into Dollar General, and there was no toilet paper on the shelf. So I did get the paper towels. Now, on the app, it said the paper towels were $4, but they were actually $5. And then I got the $1 off on the digital coupon for the Bounty paper towel, so grab that. The next thing was the Drumsticks. The Drumsticks were $3.85, and then I had a $1 off digital coupon on that. So I did get a box of the spaghetti pasta for free. What you do is you buy 2 of the Pregos, and then you get a free box of Barilla pasta for free. So just load that coupon on the app as well. So you're essentially only paying $4 for all 3 items because the pasta is like $1.40. Then the Gang Flings, let me find that on the receipt, were $3.95, and there was a $1 off coupon on the app for that. The brownies, they were $2.95 each, and there's a $1 off coupon on 2 Nabisco products. Now, I was hoping just to buy the Gatorade and get to my $25 limit. The Gatorade said on the tag in the store it was like $1.20, but at the register it was only 85 cents. And then after everything's said and done, I still didn't have enough, so I went and grabbed a half gallon of milk And that was another filler that I didn't anticipate using. So, kind of an epic fail, but that's okay because we always can use milk. The milk was $2.55. Now, I was able to use my $5 off 25 coupon, which brought everything down before taxes to $15.70. $15.70. So that wasn't bad at all. And I saved $11.80. And these are all things that we use and need anyways. So go check out your local Dollar General. Things may be out in the store, but that's okay. You can improvise and find other things. Remember, Dollar General was really good for toilet paper, paper towels, and those shelf-stable items.